Breaking free from a toxic relationship is one of the hardest things you'll ever do. You know it wasn't good for you. You know you deserve better. But somehow, you still feel stuck, trapped in memories, self-doubt, and emotional pain. How do you move on? How do you heal? In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to finally let go, rebuild your confidence, and find yourself again. And trust me, stay till the end, because the last step is what will truly set you free. Step 1. Accept the truth. It was toxic. First things first. Stop romanticizing the past. It's easy to remember the good moments, the laughter, the passionate times, the way they could be. But if the relationship left you broken, questioning yourself, and drained, then it wasn't love. It was control. It was manipulation. Ask yourself, did you feel emotionally safe? Did they make you doubt your worth? Did they always shift the blame onto you? You can't heal from something you won't accept. The moment you stop justifying their behavior and start acknowledging the pain they caused, you take back your power. But what if you still miss them? What if you feel like you made a mistake? Keep watching, because in the next step, we'll talk about breaking free from emotional attachment. Step 2. Cut off all contact. Yes, all of it. No contact isn't just advice, it's survival. Keeping them in your life, even just as a friend, is like picking at a wound that's trying to heal. Block them. No texts, no checking their social media, no accidental run-ins. Remove reminders, pictures, gifts, old messages. It's time to clear out anything that keeps you emotionally stuck. Mute mutual friends, if necessary. If they're constantly bringing up your ex, it'll only make things harder. The reason this works? Time and distance bring clarity. The longer you go without their influence, the more you start seeing the relationship for what it truly was. But what do you do with all the emotions that still linger? The anger, the sadness, the what-ifs? That's where the next step comes in. Step 3. Process the pain, instead of running from it. Pain doesn't disappear just because you ignore it. It festers. Instead of pretending you're fine, allow yourself to process everything. Journal your thoughts. Write a letter to them, but don't send it. Let it all out. Talk to someone you trust. A therapist, a friend, someone who won't just say, "Get over it." Find a healthy outlet. Exercise, art, meditation, anything that helps you release emotions instead of bottling them up. The goal? To feel, process, and then release. Now that you're working through the emotions, how do you start rebuilding yourself? This next step is the most powerful shift you can make. Step 4. Rebuild your confidence and identity. One of the biggest things a toxic relationship steals from you is your sense of self. You might feel lost, unsure of who you are outside of them. That's okay. Now is your chance to rediscover you. Reconnect with what makes you happy. What hobbies, dreams, or passions did you put aside for them? Surround yourself with healthy energy. Cut out negativity and focus on people who uplift you. Set new standards. Define what you truly want in a future relationship, and what you'll never tolerate again. And now, for the most important step. The one that will help you move forward without ever looking back. Step 5. Forgive. Not for them, but for you. I know what you're thinking. Forgive them? After everything they did? No way. But listen, forgiveness doesn't mean excusing their behavior. It doesn't mean letting them back in. It means releasing the anger so it no longer controls you. The moment you forgive, not them, but yourself for staying too long, for ignoring red flags, for believing in potential instead of reality, you free yourself from the past. and that's when true healing begins. Healing after a toxic relationship isn't easy. It's painful. It's messy. But every step you take away from them is a step closer to the person you were always meant to be. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one thing that helped you move on from a toxic relationship? Drop it in the comments. Let's support each other. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real talk on love and relationships. See you in the next one.